What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video today. I want to say, first of all, thank you guys so much for all the love and support you've been showing me on the channel. We're almost at 300 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. Thank you guys so much. If you're new around here, please join the family. Go ahead and subscribe. I like making these stock videos for you guys, showing you guys the plays that I'm into and things that I think are going to be doing well in the short and long term. I kind of do a little bit of both. I love when you guys comment down below, so please go ahead and do that. I love replying to all your guys' comments and seeing the great conversations we're having down there, and a thumbs up on the video would be greatly appreciated. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm just here to put you guys on a couple of plays and tell you guys how I'm going to be playing them out. What are we talking about today? Highly anticipated Tuscan Holdings, ticker symbol THCB. We've already talked about this stock a couple of times on the channel, and I've gotten quite a few questions about it, so I wanted to address some of those today. First and foremost, let's just go ahead and look at how the stock has been moving. For today, not much movement here. We're up about 1% in after hours. There's nothing that's been going on today. If we look at the 5-day chart, we are down a little bit on the 5-day chart, but from our lows at $10.98, we are up about 13%. So we're doing okay on the 5-day chart, even though we are technically down. If we look at the 1-month chart, of course, this is a Spac, started at $10, went all the way up to $12.91, and then it fell back down, and now it's on the way back up. So what's going on here? Why is this thing not moving like some of these other Spacs that we're in? First of all, folks, I want to let you guys know that the company that this Spac is merging with is called Microvast. Please go out and do your own research. I'm just going to give a brief intro to it. It's a battery company that specializes in fast charging batteries, which, we are going towards an EV market right now, and EV is the future of automobiles. So this company is going to have a big hold on the market in the near future, near and long term future. This company already has a product out there that's in use, which is what makes it so different than some of these other Spacs that we're in. Anyway, what do we have in terms of the merger? All we have, folks, is a letter of intent. I want to make this very clear. All we have with THCB and Microvast is a letter of intent. Now, whenever people are getting into this stock, they're a little misinformed. They think that this merger is a surefire thing. That is absolutely not the case. I am not here to lie to you guys or tell you guys something that isn't. I'm here to give you guys the facts. And the fact of the matter is, there is no definitive agreement on this merger. I am very bullish on THCB. I believe that the merger will go through, which is why I'm heavily invested in this company. That being said, I recognize the risk. I know that if this merger doesn't go through, if we don't get that definitive agreement, more likely than not, this stock will go back down to $10 a share. So I want you guys to keep some of this in mind whenever you're thinking about investing or thinking about holding this stock. We have nothing definitive yet. A lot of people are asking me, hey, why isn't this going parabolic yet? Guys, all we have is a letter of intent. Give it a little bit of time. I truly believe that the definitive agreement is on the horizon. I would say potentially in the next month or so, maybe early 2021, with a full merger happening sometime in the first quarter of 2021. We know that the SPAC deadline for THCB is now April 30th of 2021, so things have to go down before that. So I'm expecting at least a definitive agreement here in the next couple of weeks to at least 1 month. So if we're able to hold tight, we could potentially make some big money on this. But again, I'm not here to mesmerize you guys into buying this stock. I want to make sure that it's well known that the potential for this stock to go back to $10 is still there because we do not have a definitive agreement. Enough about that. Do I still think that this stock is a good buy? Well, again, you have to weigh the risk and reward here. At this price point, I'm actually still buying in. Whenever I get buying power, I'm still loading up on this one. But that's just what I'm doing personally because I believe Microvast is a great company and I do believe that we're going to have that definitive agreement soon. And I think that below $12.50, this stock is a buy for me personally. Now, what I want you guys to go out and do your own research and see, is Microvast a company that you would be interested in investing in? Are you trying to hop on this EV boom that's going on right now? Also, do your research about whether or not you want to take that risk. Okay, this company only has a letter of intent, no definitive agreement. Am I willing to take that risk and potentially see a $2.45 loss at this point per share if the definitive agreement does not happen. These are just some of the things you have to keep in mind when investing in SPACs, especially a speculative play like this one that doesn't have a definitive agreement just yet. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This one was more for my newbie investors that don't necessarily know what's going on with the stock right now and have been asking me questions about why it's not growing the way that it should be growing as a SPAC. So I hope that shed some light on a couple of the concepts that I hit on today. If you guys have any further questions, please drop them down in the comment section below. If I don't answer them, somebody that's way smarter than me is going to. So don't be shy. Ask your questions. Please leave a thumbs up if you like the video. It really helps the channel out. If you're new around here, please subscribe. I do these types of videos almost every single day, if not multiple times a day, until you guys are sick of my voice. This one is going to be an interesting move, guys. Please go out and do your research. I'm personally still buying in. I think anything below $12.50 is a good buy for this one. Go out and do your research and let me know what you're doing. I appreciate you guys watching. Peace out.